Let's show you a little tour of all the vehicles I have around here. So also, if you want to see what I'm going to be, this is the second episode I've put it out on Will It One. So I want you to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me type in comments, because I want to get this channel up and running. But so what we're going to be doing in the episodes of this channel, we are going to be doing things like getting them up and running after they have sitted for a long time. And I'm going to be having a video coming out of this here pretty darn soon on this channel. So make sure you check it out. I bet it'll be out the Will It One video of on a 1961 truck will be out possibly next week, somewhere around next week. Next week, I'll be having it out, so make sure you keep eyes out on this. It's not on this truck or this truck. I'm buying it, so it'll be out in a few weeks or this week. I don't really know yet. So, we'll check out this truck. This is a 1989 Chevrolet F250 here. No, F150. I would start it up for you, but it doesn't have a battery in it at the moment. The other truck I'm ditching is a 1961 GMC. That's the truck I'm going to get up and running. This truck is going to be the parts truck for the other truck. The truck I'm ditching next week, and then they'll Will It One on. I need the seat out of it. So this is going to be a challenge ditching the seat out of this truck and ditching the other truck. But we're just focused on ditching it running at the moment. So this other truck next week, and I did it running. Let's check out the other things I have. But I hope you're going to enjoy this next video, and I'm going to be putting it out next week, possibly, whenever I get this truck. I'll put it out for you. But that's also the old Bistain. If you haven't seen the Bistain, I pulled it out of the trees around 4 years ago. Well, this one's a harder project later on. But it's going to be a beautiful sunny day. Tomorrow's going to be April, so happy Easter Sunday. Hope everyone's having a great day today. I hope you like my new camera. I have a steadization, so it shouldn't be safety footage. That's one that I'm going to be selling today, possibly for $2,000 to buy the other truck. It's a Galaxie 500, Ford Galaxie 500, 65 Ford Galaxie 500. The battery's dead, so sort of won't start. It might start this morning. I don't know. Yeah, Nancy's dead this morning. So, that's all the vehicles I have at the moment. So, hope that was a good video for you. And I will see you next time on Where It Won.